Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by finding the XML file and making a quick backup so you can recover easily. Open it in a simple viewer first. Double-click to try your browser, or right-click and select an editor. Use Notepad++ or VS Code for better formatting. These tools parse the structure for you. Once done, switch to a viewer if you only need to read. Make sure to keep the backup open or copied while you proceed to editing or deeper inspection. Now inspect the XML hierarchy by enabling syntax highlighting and code folding so tags and attributes stand out. You want to confirm it is well-formed. Look for missing closing tags, unescaped ampersands, or broken attributes. Use the editor's format or pretty print command to indent nested elements, which makes relationships clear. If the file is large, search for root elements and namespaces. This helps you understand schema intent. Finish by validating the file against any XSD or using a validator to catch semantic errors. This tells you why values might be rejected. If you prefer, convert to JSON or CSV for easier viewing in other tools and export a copy. If something breaks, check encoding and byte order marks, since wrong encodings produce unreadable characters. If that fails, remove hidden control characters or run a repair tool. One key tip: always compare with your backup before saving any destructive changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.